Hi, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. Have you ever needed to copy information from a website or a Word document but didn't want the wonky formatting that came with it? There are keyboard shortcuts that make this task a breeze. You'll use Control-C to copy the text, but instead of using Control-V to paste what you just copied, use Shift plus Control plus V on your Windows computer to paste it without formatting. You can do this on a Mac as well, using Command-C to copy the text and then Option-Shift-Command-V to paste it. Another handy keyboard shortcut allows you to shift between open applications on a computer. Just hold the Alt and Tab keys down on your Windows machine and press and release the tab to shift through all open apps. The highlighted tab will be the one that comes to the top when you let go. Use this to shift quickly between any open apps. On a Mac, you can do the same thing, except you'll use Command and Tab. There are a lot of handy keyboard shortcuts out there. You can do a Google search of Keyboard Shortcuts Windows or Keyboard Shortcuts Mac to find lots more. And finally, your cybersecurity tech tip for this week. Periodically check the privacy settings on all of your social media accounts. As apps update frequently, it's always a good idea to stay on top of your privacy and security settings. In Instagram, go to your profile page and click on the hamburger menu on the top right and tap on Settings. Then tap on Privacy Settings. Consider making your Instagram account private if you have not already, then scroll through the various privacy settings. On Twitter, just tap on the icon of the three dots and go to Privacy and Safety to double check that your privacy controls are what you expect. For TikTok, tap on Profile and then on the stacked lines to get into Settings and Privacy. All social media and online accounts have some sort of privacy and security settings. Make it a point to stay cyber smart by reviewing your settings a few times a year. Thank you for watching our Technology Tuesday tips for this week. You can visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at csumb_IT.